Mugore cannot move alone. He's accompanied by Mama Janet Museveni, who is the matron.
Kenya, you are now over.
This is a wonderful, dedicated team with whom we were able to deliver the election. On behalf of the Commission, I do congratulate you, candidate Yoweri Museveni Tuhaburwa Kaguta, for being elected President of the Republic of Uganda for another term. I also wish to congratulate all the candidates who participated in the presidential elections, parliamentary and local government councils elections, the voters, religious leaders, civil society, the media, and all other stakeholders for their participation in the January to February 2021 general elections.
I, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the functions of the President of Uganda and shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of Uganda. So help me God.
One by one.